Well, a close in the red for the large caps, but the broader end of the spectrum did okay. You have to admit that today was a day which had more positives than negatives. Positives because if you look at the market breadth for the day today, it was firmly in the green in favor of the advances because the small cap index had a pretty strong outing in the session today, about 0.64% higher, and which is why the advance decline ratio, the worms will show you how they were in the green for a better part of the day and traded nearly 3:2 or slightly above 3:2 in favor of the advances. Now, get the heat map up on the screen and show you what moved and what not on the large cap end of the market. There was some strength in iShares, in fact, serious strength in iShares and HUL as well, which was down in trade on Monday on very high delivery volumes, being up about 1.5% in trade today. ONGC second on a trot, up about 1.5%. Titan had some gains, Divi's had some gains. The surprise package, I must say though, was HDFC Bank, 1.16% higher on a day when not all financials have done well. So some bit of strength that HDFC Bank is showing, but the weakness was more palpable, more so for IT names. And both Infosys and LTIMindtree showed that. Infosys, the top loser ahead of the numbers, 3.5% lower for this one. Maybe the street expects the commentary or the numbers to be a bit weaker than what was earlier perceived. LTIMindtree continues to see resignations, two global sales head resigning, and that stock also down 3%. Some weakness for FinServ and finance, and the entire IT pack was wobbly in the session today. So that was the crux of what happened in the large caps. Just pull up the BSE 500 and show you the key movers and gainers on that one. Excite topped the list, followed by Amara Raja, 15% on close. It was a trending day for Excite because it started off flattish to marginally higher and then closed at the highest point of the day. Aegis Logistics was up about 8%, strength in Sterling Wilson, Patanjali Foods because of GQG's higher shareholding maybe moving up in trade. What didn't do well, Spark for the 7th or 8th day on a trot, down about 5%, some weakness in KEI Industries, Emphasis corrected, Coforge corrected, and Gujarat Gas, which has had a last few days of positivity also coming off, as did CRISIL post numbers, down about 4%. Net, good day for the small caps. Let's see if we can carry on the momentum after a day's holiday on Wednesday.